Now, once the data sets complete the uploading part, then it will directly send you to the annotation page. Okay, you just need to wait till the file is getting uploaded, right? So yeah, just a minute while it gets uploaded. Okay, so now the file is getting uploaded. Now as you can see that these are a data set that I have uploaded. Okay, these are very small image just to show you the labeling part, the annotation part. Okay, that what needs to be done before training your YOLO model. Of course, you have already used the YOLO pre-trained model for detection. I'm just telling that how you can actually like train your own YOLO model, right? By taking your own data set, by labeling it class by class. Okay. Now, after uploading your dataset, it will automatically take you to the annotate page, okay, where you will be annotating your dataset. Now, here, there is multiple way, okay, so Roboflow is actually giving you a very flexible way of doing the annotation. The number one step is that either you can actually do the annotation by using an auto labeling tool, which has been provided by the Roboflow, which they are actually using is SAM model, which is provided by the Meta. Okay, so I will show you both the way, like by doing the manual labeling or by doing the labeling, sharing with your teammate, so that suppose if your data set is like a very huge, okay, then your teammate can also, you can also assign your teammate so that he or she can also label your data set. Okay, so let me first go and try out this auto labeling tool. If I go and try out this auto labeling tool, then it is actually using the segment anything model, which means that I don't need to label it by myself. I will just rely upon this model so that it will automatically label my data set. So you will see that my first class, which is helmet, has been already came here. Okay, now let's say that I need to give some helping prompt, okay, just to like see, just to help the SAM model so that it could label more precisely. Okay, so let's say that I can actually give PP or helmet, safety helmet, okay, safety helmet, okay, safety helmet, okay. And if I really wanted to add some more classes, I can actually add, let's say person. If I want to add, okay, I can actually add human being. Okay, I can actually add so many classes. So it is not like that I have already predefined one classes and that is basically like stick to it. Okay, I can actually add my own number of classes. Okay, and if I just go and click the generate test result, so it will automatically start labeling this. So it has actually labeled this, the entire thing, as a person, another thing, right? So let me just clear it all and let me just going to leave helmet. I just want to label the helmet part, okay, or let's say safety helmet, right? If I go and then if I just press that generate button, so it will start like labeling my helmet one by one. Okay, so this you will see as a confidence threshold. What does that mean is that suppose if the labeling has not been done that precise by the SAM model, right, then you can actually like try to increase the confidence score so that it could able to label each and everything precisely. So let's say that I am keeping the confidence threshold as 70% so that I don't want my bad labeling to my image. That is why I just keeping the threshold as 70%. Okay, now if this is correct, then you can actually move to next image. Okay, so these image has been, all these labels are perfectly fine, right? If I just increase this, so yeah, you could see that apart from leaving 1-2%, it is labeling all, right? Then again you can actually move to next image. Okay, then you can start labeling these things. Okay, so it will automatically start labeling all these things. If you just click on auto labeling model, so it will start the label your image, and it will take some, let's say on the basis of your free credit, okay, or let's say your recharge credit, it will start auto labeling your data set. So while it is labeling, let me show you the other way of labeling the data set, which is like the manual way, right?